Creating a portfolio of evidence using Google Sites. You will need to have either Firefox or Chrome open and log into your Google account. Then click on the tile, More, Even More. Scroll down to Google Sites. To create a new site, click on plus. You can change your themes, changing the color, font, change your title, you can adjust the size of your text box, and change the background image. Once you've chosen a graphic, click on Select. This will be your banner on every page. You need to name your site, we can now add some text. We can drag this up into the banner, add more text, and write a little paragraph about what this site is all about. To add a new page, simply click on Pages, add the plus, name your page, on this page, this will be your evidence for electronic forms. You can insert from Drive and then choose your electronic forms that you've previously created. Insert. When you click on Preview, this will be the same as when you've published your site. Your form is now live inside your Google Sites, and the person can fill it in as if it was the actual electronic form. This is very good for your tutor when they're checking your evidence. Let's go back. You can keep adding forms on this page. Insert, and the forms will appear one beneath the other. You can add another page. And you can still insert your evidence in this page. It can be Microsoft Word documents. So if you've already uploaded it to your G Drive, you can insert. So I'm going to imagine this is my style sheet summary, insert, and it will insert the Word document. When the person previews your evidence, they can click on your document. They can do it in a pull-out window, and they can even download it. So your tutor can check your Microsoft Word documents as evidence as well when they download it from your site. And this is how you can create a portfolio of evidence.